Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check someone's recent following on Instagram. So for this you will have to just open the Instagram app. Now what to do, you will have to just open the random profile to see the follower and following. You will see I will just have like to this uh, tech mobile. So I will just go in the follower section. So now I will have to just turn it on following. So there are two only followings. So this is how you can just see the following list of someone. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.